So this is a live video just to test out everything and make sure that it's working okay. Um, this is a circle practice, and this is a ditto that you guys should have already been working on. So if you can do this tonight, it's 2 pages. I gave it out. If you don't have it for some reason, it's on the website, and that's www.cimath.com. And I see somebody's there. Hi back at you. So this is one thing. So if you do this and you send me a picture by tonight of this completed, and again, this is 2 pages. Let me just show you the second page right here. And use, while you're doing this, I want you guys to use the list right here. So these are all the circle rules that we've done. I think we've done almost every one. So just the rules about central angles and scribed angles. That circle practice has basically everything in it. Quadrilaterals inscribed in a circle, those opposite angles are congruent to each other. Let me see if I can just make this smaller. Just trying to get used to this. Intersecting chords rules. So all these rules are on this one page. I put this on the website as well. So if you use this or use your notes, whatever you want. The only thing that we're not doing from this circle rule page is the back sheet right here, where it's area, circumference, arc length, and circle equations. That'll all be done in the next unit. But this is what we did on Friday. We were talking about the the whole times the external equals the whole times the external. This is that hat theorem. Remember that a tangent and a radius are perpendicular to each other. So this is just to test it out. I'm just doing this right now just to test out that it's working, that I see some of you are on there. I see Jeremy's on there. No test. This is just a practice to make sure that this is actually working. So I don't know. You guys can see the screen. Can you see me also? I think there's like a delay also in what you write and what I see. But if you do this tonight, take a picture of it, send it to me. I will post the answers in the morning on that our website, the class website, cimath.com. So if you send me that, and then at 12 o'clock tomorrow, I will go live. So if you have any questions, but if you can look at the video of the answers beforehand, and then you can, so if you look at the video, look at the answers, check your work, circle anything you don't understand. So this way, when I go live at 12 o'clock, I can answer any questions that you have. All right, and then we're just going to continue with the rest of the circle chapter. So the game plan is I did do an updated calendar that's on the website, and you guys will watch the video on eMath instruction of the lesson, and then you'll try the homework. I'll post the homework answers, and then I'll go live to see if there are any questions. So we'll try that, see how it works, and we'll take it from there. But if you do that circle practice, the quiz that I have, the quiz is on there. But let's go over the circle practice before you even start to take the quiz. So the quiz will be on Google Docs, and you can, the link will be right on the website, and you can just click that, and I'll tell you, the calendar says when it's due, but I'll give you a day or two. Obviously, you're going to use your notes for that, and then we'll sort of have to take it from there and see how the test goes. But I hope you guys are all staying safe, wash your hands, try not to get sick. And we're out of school until April 1st. If I hear anything, about that, then I will, anything further than that, I'll certainly tell you. But you guys have your packets. Anything you don't have, just send me a message on Remind, or it should be on the class website. But if it's not on the class website, then let me know. Okay? Does anybody have any questions about anything? This was just to sort of make sure that this all works, because I had to download this program so that I can screen capture and do the video at the same time. So if you don't have any questions, I'll wait a second because there is a delay. I see there's a couple people on there. I tried to do it earlier and my internet wasn't working and the computer wasn't working, so I think we got it all figured out now. I just turned it all off and turned it back on, so I hope we're all good. All right. So that's about it. I was just testing it out and showing you the 2 things. So this is your angle and your arc. All these rules are on there. And then the paper, if you're just joining us, whoops, let me get rid of this. If you're just joining us, this is the circle practice that I wanted you guys to do, as well as the homework from lesson 8 and lesson 7. So lesson 7 we had started in class, and lesson 8, I wrote it on the calendar, you're going to do everything, but you're not doing that last problem. So that shouldn't be too bad. And this is just basic practice. Sometimes you're setting up equations and solving, and then don't forget if you have to plug back in, like this says to find the measure of ABC. So after you solve for X, you're going to plug it back in. So those answers will be posted in the morning, and there'll be videos. I made a video of the answers of them, explaining them, but then I will go live at 12 o'clock so that you can see if you have any questions. So the videos for explaining the answers will be on YouTube. I will also post just a hard copy of these answers on the class website, and then I will go live at 12 o'clock. So if you want to ask any questions, you can do that. Okay, and that's about it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at 12 if you have any questions, and I hope you have a good night.